beyond. Look at this as we take you out towards Hamburg and Lehigh Valley, out to the west as well. What was that? Yes, live look. All right, let's give you a live look. This is just outside CBS 21, our parking lot. You can see a lot of that tree debris that really gets pummeled. Bring it back, it's a very thin line, so places like Mifflin and Juliana County already out of the warned area, but right in the thick of things now, in the Harrisburg area, down towards Newberry Township. This will be moving to the east, so if you haven't seen anything in York and Lancaster, about 40 minutes away from you guys as far as seeing anything, that red area toward the top of your screen, that red square, that red polygon that you see, that is where we have the severe or the tornado warning in effect and severe thunderstorm warning for the orange area. So basically just kind of following this line of storms here as you really see. I'm going to put the lightning on now, and this is really impressive. See those little squiggly lines? That is lightning, and we're seeing a lot of intense lightning with this. We have a crew headed on the way to Perry County where they report some wind damage there in addition to some large hail in many spots. Look at all the lightning in and around the Lebanon County line as you head towards Berks County. Again, that's right along 78, 81. As you work your way along 81, we can see a lot of lightning with this. So if you have travel plans, put those off. If you're waiting for a loved one, you know it's going to be a slow go this afternoon. I'm going to turn the lightning off just because it's a little bit distracting from seeing where the storm is. But watch again that red area as you'll see those storms moving in. We do have reports of lightning now just outside our studios. Again, we're in North Harrisburg, so we're kind of right in the thick of things and really saw these winds really picking up over the last